Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant tomato chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for the instant tomato chutney, what you need, here I took some fresh tomatoes and what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this one and I'm going to grind this one as a smooth paste by adding little bit of water, which I will show you guys. First I have to chop this tomato. I chop the tomato and I'm going to put this one in the blender. So can you see, I grind the tomato as a very smooth paste. I added only little bit of water to make a smooth paste. So let's start the recipe. I add 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. In this, I am adding some urud dal, the curry leaves, the asafoetida, some fresh curry leaves, and I am going to add this tomato puree into this. And in this, I am going to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your tomato chutney. So I added some salt up to your taste, and in this, I am adding the Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives a nice color in the tomato chutney. And we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. This chutney will be ready, guys. So this is very easy and simple chutney for idli and dosa. So we have to cook for 5 minutes. So we have to cook this tomato chutney until it releases all the oil. So this is how it looks. So the chutney is ready and it's time to prepare dosa. The tomato chutney is ready and here I have a dosa and I'm going to add this chutney here. And I'm going to try. Very tasty, guys. Try this recipe at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.